What's good, folks? Thanks very much for tuning into this video. My name's Dave and welcome to my channel DutchCanJam. If you're looking for a new mattress, in this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Douglas mattress by Novosbed. Now before we get into this video, if you're looking for a bed frame, in my last video I did an unboxing and review of the Kitsa steel bed frame, so go and check that out. If you like this video, please give a click to that thumbs up button, please consider subscribing, and please consider sharing it with somebody who might be looking for a new mattress. Now the last mattress that I had was a traditional box spring and it was coming up on about 10 years old, so it was kind of time for a new mattress. And I wanted to give one of the mattress in a box products a try, of which there are many out there. Casper, Endy, Purple, and some of the big names like Sealy, Sleep Country, and IKEA are getting into the game. Now by no means am I a sleep expert or mattress expert, this is just my personal opinion on the research that I had done on the products I was considering and the product that I bought. As well, some of the features and prices may have changed from the time that this video is published in February of 2019, so please go and check out the links below for the most up-to-date information. So after a bit of research, I narrowed it down to three: the Bloom Mist by Sleep Country Canada, the Bear, and the Douglas mattress by Novosbed, which is the one that I ended up buying. So why didn't I choose the Bloom or the Bear mattress? Well, starting off with the Bloom, one of the advantages of the Sleep Country product is with a store you can actually go and try them out, and I did just that at their downtown Vancouver store. The Bloom Mist retails for about $575 Canadian. After doing a little bit more research, I came across 3 videos on YouTube of Bloom owners that found cracks in the mattress structure. Once I had seen that, that eliminated Bloom completely. So the other mattress that I was looking at was the Bear, and it retailed for about $1,119 Canadian, so much more expensive than the Bloom product or the Douglas. That price though included your shipping and any taxes and fees as it was coming in from the United States. Now, one of the things that I did like about the mattress is that it was designed and built for individuals with active lifestyles, and apparently the construction helped with improving sleep and recovery. Now both Bloom by Sleep Country and the Bear mattress both had a 100-night trial guarantee. The difference between the two of those is that the Bloom product, you could not get a refund, you could only do an exchange through Sleep Country. The Bear product, you could return it and it would be donated to a local charity and you'd get a full refund. The Douglas retailed for about $729 Canadian, and the mattress was designed, built, and shipped within Canada, and it's free shipping. It's not available outside of the country. So why did I choose the Douglas mattress? The price was a little bit more than the Bloom product. It was definitely cheaper than the Bear product. Plus, a lot of the reviews that I had read online were quite positive. One of the things that set the Douglas mattress apart from the Bloom and the Bear was the warranty and the trial period. Both Bloom and Bear had a 100-night trial period, where Douglas had 120 nights. The warranty period for both Bloom and Bear were 10 years, but for Douglas it was 15 years. And Douglas, you could get a refund for the purchase price, and they would also donate the product to a local charity. So let's get into the setup and review of the Douglas. So the mattress gets shipped in a cardboard box, and inside it is rolled up quite tight. It's wrapped up in 2 layers of plastic. The first is this kind of almost saran wrap plastic to keep it coiled up. So after we unrolled that, it actually started to expand ever so slightly. You could hear the air coming into the main plastic wrapping of the mattress. So Douglas requests that you hang on to this plastic. Should you need to return the mattress, it can be packed back up and given to the movers when they come to collect the mattress. I think it took about a minute or so for the mattress to completely expand. I let it sit for about 4 to 5 hours before I actually slept on the mattress for the first time. It didn't really have much of a smell. It was quite odorless, really. In my opinion, the build of the Douglas mattress seems pretty standard across other mattresses, but they use some eco-friendly products. The mattress cover is removable and washable, and it's made out of eucalyptus fiber. The construction itself of the actual mattress is made out of 3 layers, 2 2-inch layers, I just have to refer to my notes here, 1 2-inch layer of luxury Ecolite cooling foam, and a 2-inch layer of premium elastics, which is made without any harmful allergy-causing materials that latex is made out of. And then there's a 6-inch layer of motion isolation foam that eliminates motion transfer and helps keep the edges of the bed nice and sturdy compared to other mattresses. Now, the feel of the mattress overall I think is great. It's got great support no matter what side you sleep on, and I sleep on both my back, stomach, and side. And the edge support, in my opinion, is great. So some of the pros and cons about the Douglas mattress. Starting off with the pros. The trial period for the Douglas is 120 nights compared to 100 that most of the other mattress in a box manufacturers offer. And if you're not happy with the product, like many of the other mattress makers, they'll pick it up and donate it to a local charity and you'll get a full refund. The warranty period is also longer at 15 years compared to 10 for most of the other mattress in a box manufacturers. And the customer service was great both online, over the phone, and via email. And for the cons, I really only had one, and it's just a personal preference. This is the medium firm mattress, and while it is actually quite firm, I would have liked it a little bit firmer. But again, it is a minor thing, and again, I personally like this mattress. Now, would I buy this product again? Both yes and no. Since mattresses last for 10 years or longer, and with the mattress in a box products, you can try them out for X number of nights. I probably would try another mattress manufacturer, and if I didn't like it, I would definitely come back to the Douglas. And that wraps up my unboxing and review of the Douglas mattress by Novosbed. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description below. And if you're also looking for a bed frame, check out my other video on the Kitsa steel bed frame, which is linked in the card above or in the description below. And I have to say that the mattress, the Douglas mattress, and the Kitsa bed frame look really great together. And a huge thank you to my friend Charles for helping me set up the bed. If you like this video, give a click to that like button, please consider subscribing, and please consider sharing this video. Take care, peace and love, and we'll see you in the next video.